Acadia's pristine coastline, trails, and cliffside views make it one of the most charming parts of New England. In September, I traveled to Acadia National Park with some of my best friends. We spent 4 days biking, hiking, trying fresh lobster, and chasing sunsets. We came from all across the East Coast. Starting the journey in Washington, D.C., we scooped up the crew from Philly, New York City, and Boston before heading straight to Mount Desert Island.
We're back in the apartment because Sejal forgot her phone.
And so the journey begins.
Hi guys!
Hello!
Hi! I feel like my eyes... Your size is...
That'll be great.
After settling into our Airbnb, we picked up bike rentals from a local shop in Southwest Harbor. There's a lot of trails around the park, and we decided to go to one that took us to Echo Lake. After cycling on the road, we found some gravel trails that we took. These trails even had a beautiful spruce tree line and some magnificent views. After a quick bike ride, the trail took us to Echo Lake. You'll find a ton of sun and sand here, so make sure to dip your feet into the water.
To the left!
Ours is like it's all about pride.
Here we are, Echo Lake.
There you are. Oh.
My name's Chris, this is Michelle. I've actually been recording in slow mo this entire time. Yeah.
Hey.
If you're looking for a spot to watch the sunset, we highly recommend Bass Harbor Lighthouse. We arrived half an hour before sunset and followed the crowds as they scrambled to the cliffside. This is an iconic location with the coast across the entire horizon.
Whoa.
I don't think anyone was like, she came to just I'm so sorry. Here's the rest of
How many
your
points are
tortillas. Looks interesting.
2, 3, 4.
Looks good. Sejal, wait, let's vlog in that mirror.
Hi.
Actually, pretty far away. Wait, give me a plate, give me a plate. I need a plate. There we go.
We have Chef Nibby,
Not really.
Chef Radhika, and Yash.
Wait, can you?
Housekeeper Sarth.
Oh, thanks. Hello.
Okay, what was your contribution again?
I cleaned the pan.
Yeah, he did.
yeah.
And I set up the silverware.
Oh,
You
thank
did.
you.
What was your actual
I
contribution?
got forks and I got 2 plates.
Nice. Sorry?
Hey,
He's like, this was my idea.
there was I set the sauces on the table.
Wow.
Multiple people have set this table.
Wow.
It took 3 men to set this table. I'm so sorry.
Are they inefficient or what?
Acadia's coastline is absolutely pristine. We set aside time to walk around the side of the coast and sit around the rocks. You'll be amazed by how stunning the blue waters are. All you have to do is pull over on the side of the road, park, and walk along.
I am stunned.
Gorgeous.
Me? Oh, thanks.
Got a photographer here, photographer here, photographer here, photographer here, and a model.
I feel like in all of Sagel's GoPro, all I'm doing is this.
Pristine beach over there, and then the Beehive Trail. Go like twisting around like a beehive all the way to the summit.
I look like an idiot walking with my phone like that.
I was going like this.
Oh, what are you?
It's good. It's good.
It's good?
Not a good 10.
Yeah.
It's good.
Okay.
And now see her butt.
Yeah, no.
Now look up.
Oh my god.
You don't want to hold my hands hard? I'll call you Thomas.
No. Hi. Here I go, guys.
Got it. Option now. Just
I know the smart one is smell one.
wait, really?
Guys, I'm so...
Are you telling me he farted and we have to cross this thing?
The tree.
Yeah, the tree's so really smooth. Yeah, everyone's like waxing up. This stuff isn't used. I used Red's help. I just needed a hand.
Good.
You did it.
You got it. Yeah, just keep holding on to this thing.
Go.
Wait, do you want to hold my hand?
You're holding on to my t-shirt. Yeah, make sure you. I got it back.
Come closer, I'll hold on to your t-shirt too.
Yeah, give her your hand. Give her your hand. Give
Yeah,
her
hold-
your hand. Give her your hand. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, just go.
You get my hand and me hold.
Yeah. Yeah. Glue. I should have brought Elmer's glue to glue myself.
The Beehive Trail is one of the most popular hikes in Acadia. Warning, if you have a fear of heights, be prepared as you will be ascending this climb using iron rungs off a steep cliff. This trail provides aerial views of Sand Beach and is absolutely worth it. The descent down is much easier, so once you get through the first half, it's not bad at all.
You are Will. We know.
It says he's a werewolf. I'm
So
a
you're
werewolf.
werewolf.
Hello.
We wrapped up our last day in Acadia by playing One Night Werewolf while sitting along the coastline. We made the best memories and I can't wait to go back one day.